In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up PayPal on Digistore24 so you can withdraw your earnings into your PayPal account. Now, unlike ClickBank, you can actually withdraw into PayPal with Digistore24, and I'm going to show you how you can do it right now. So once you're on Digistore24, make sure you are signed into your account. Then you can go ahead and go to Account in the top right hand corner, and then go to Payout Account. That will then take you to your payout details, and here we can start setting things up. So what we need to do now is we need to scroll all the way down, and here you'll see Payout Method. Now here we can go ahead and click on that, and we can set it up via PayPal, bank transfer, or international bank transfer. So we want to click on PayPal. Then set PayPal email, and it looks like before you do that you do need to enter in your password. Okay, so now we've entered in our password and clicked on set email again. It's now redirected us to this page here. Now don't get overwhelmed and don't get confused here. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and confirm the terms and conditions, and you want to go ahead and make sure you choose a currency, whether that be euros, US dollars, or Swiss franc. For a lot of people it's going to be USD. Now I get paid from other things in USD, so I'm fine with receiving stuff in USD. You can then scroll down here, and you need to go ahead and enter in your address if it already isn't in there from your profile. So go ahead and enter that in, and then here you can see payment options. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to pay a one-off fee of $1 so we can connect our PayPal account. So go ahead and click Pay with PayPal. You can then log into your account, and it should just then redirect you to the checkout page where it's going to want you to pay $1. I'm going to pay with my card. I'm going to confirm and continue that transaction. And there you can see in the top left-hand corner, we've got your PayPal email address is now set. We can now choose the payment threshold, and you can go ahead and read all of this and choose a payment threshold that suits you. Well, that's how to do it. I hope that video did help you out.